Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
International trade questions are tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's compare tariffs and quotas to find the true statement about market outcomes.
Both tariffs and quotas restrict trade, which increases the domestic price of tea. This means both interventions will actually decrease consumer surplus and increase producer surplus for the local tea market. Since both policies distort the market, they both create deadweight loss. However, a tariff is a tax on imports, meaning the government collects tax revenue from every single unit imported. A quota limits quantity and gives extra profit to foreign producers. Therefore, only the tariff generates government revenue, making option B the correct choice.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check your steps.